My name is BT Lesedi Macheke. I'm from South Africa and I am 21 years old. I think I've been studying here for about a year and a half now. I chose the Academy of Fine Art Germany because I really wanted to get a grasp of representational realism, and I felt that within this academic setting and within Germany, I would both get a different philosophy of how to draw and the academic training needed to be the artist that I want to be. The expectations I had were ones that were met, like studying anatomy, composition, color theory, and getting to be able to draw the figure. So I guess, yeah, those were the expectations that I had, to just be able to get the academic training, and those expectations were very much fulfilled, yes. Back home in South Africa, I did have an experience with an art program, which is why I decided to come to Germany, because I didn't feel satisfied enough with it. Back there, it was more so like a school setting and a university setting where you study art, but then it was unmanaged. It had too much variety where there was no specifics. And so the comparisons between the two would be, this one is more specific and more straightforward on what you're going to get out of it and what you need from it. Whereas back there, it was more so, because it was in the university setting, because it was in the school setting, you'd slowly progress into the things that you wanted to do. Whereas here, you get to just do them now, but still slowly progress within that now system. I began to understand form, anatomy, and the overall dynamics between light and shadow better. Interpersonally, I got to understand myself in a way, whereas my relationship with what I'm learning and how I'm applying those things helped me develop my own thinking going forward. Thinking in terms of what makes things work and what doesn't make things work, and increasing my design sense in order to improve my taste, and that's how I've developed interpersonally. Yeah. The relationship here with the teachers it's fun. Well, I can't necessarily say fun because they are teachers and they're supposed to be professionals, and we can't have like friend relationships, but there is an openness between us and the teachers where we do get to understand them in the same way that they do get to understand us, because we are artists and it's not a math where they can teach us directly. So then we have this relationship where we get to communicate to them and they get to communicate to us, both through the visual language that is art and the verbal language that is German and English. One thing I like best about the Academy is the ability to get to draw and have the openness with the teachers to constantly gain feedback on drawings that I either do at home or do here, or just discussing back and forth between artists that I like and artists that I don't like, and getting to learn from people that are in the industry and actually doing things that you want to do, and getting to see a different perspective on how you can achieve your goals going forward. Yeah. I would recommend this Academy to others because we have wonderful teachers that can help you grow and learn better. We have an amazing program. You do bargs, you do casts, you do paintings, you do drawings, life drawing, short poses, dynamic drawing. You have such a variety of things to do and such a vast range of ways that you can draw, and you learn those things specifically in the realm of representational realism, but you get to learn those things in such an organic and beautiful way that over time it all makes sense. But in the beginning it is difficult, but over time it does make sense, and the teachers do a wonderful job of slowly building you into all these different tools and making them make sense as you progress throughout the program.